I'm using Trinket for this video because it allows us to write to a text file. So you can see here that I've got a text file. I'm just going to delete it so I can show you right from the beginning. We've got our two variables here, name and score. So we're going to ask the user to type in their name and what their score was, and we want to write it into a HiScores file. So to write to a text file, first of all we need to create some sort of area in memory that we can store our file, and we want to make sure that we open up a new file. In these brackets is where you put the name of the file that you want to create. So you can call it whatever you want, but for this I'm going to call it HiScores, and it should be a text file. That's the most common type of file that you're going to create in your exam. After that, you need to decide which mode that you want to open the file in, and there's three modes to choose from. The obvious one is if you have a book and you open it, most people will read from the book. So to read a file, you put R in the speech marks. If you wanted to write to the file, so you wanted to open and just write whatever you want on the page, then you would press W. But the problem with this is it will overwrite what's already there. If we want to add something to the book, so you want to write on a new line, then you would press A, and that means append. So the next step is we want to write to the file. So you do file.write, and whatever you put in brackets will be written to the file. If you do file.close at the end, then it will make sure that the file is closed and not left open. So this is our structure, these three lines of code. File equals open, and then in the brackets you will put whatever the file name is that it says in the exam, and you will need to open it in whichever mode is suggested. It will usually tell you, but if not, I would stick with A for append because that's the most likely. Then you would do file.write and file.close, and in the write brackets is what you need to write into the file. So in this case, we want to write in the name, and we want to write in the score. So we're going to concatenate these two strings. We're going to put our name and we're going to put our score, and we're going to write it into the file. So let's play, test it out, and you'll see that this HiScores text file has been created, and you can see my name and my score next to each other. Now the problem with that, if there is a problem, if you're not happy, they are joined together. All you would need to do is add a space in, but in the exam you would not need to do that. That is absolutely fine as it is. So from this point onwards, if you're happy with that, just leave. If you really want to know how to get it exactly right, then you just need to add a space in between the two words. So if I delete what's already there and run it again, now in the HiScores text, I've added a space in between the two strings. Okay, now if I run it again and add another person in, you'll see that the two scores are next to each other on the same line, which is not really exactly what I want. So underneath, if you do file.write, we can write a new line into the code. So any blank line that you put in the exam, even if you just left it like this, it would put a blank line in, and then when we test it now in Python and add a new person in, at first it looks like it hasn't worked, so I'm just going to start it again so that we're working with a nice blank document, and we'll run it again, and we'll run it again. And now in our HiScores file, you can see that they've all been added onto their own lines. Okay, so that's how we write to a text file. If you memorize this code, even if I remove that, and you memorize the code just like this, that is how you write to a file.